Here are total 15 questions on software testing. You have 10 seconds for each question. You may pause the video if you need more time. Wish you all the best. What does a review involve in static testing? A. Conducts on documents to ensure correctness and completeness. B. It does have minutes of the meet. C. It does not have test plan. Test cases reviews. D. None of them. The correct answer is A. Conducts on documents to ensure correctness and completeness. Example of reviews are A. Requirement reviews. B. Design reviews. C. Code reviews. D. Test plan and test cases reviews. E. All of them. The correct answer is E. All of them. What involves in walkthroughs in static testing? A. It is a formal review. B. It is a formal review and we can discuss/raise the issues at peer level. C. It does not have minutes of the meet. D. All of them. The correct answer is D. All of them. What involves in inspections in static testing? A. It's a formal approach to the requirement schedule. B. Inspection will have a proper schedule which will be intimated via email to the concerned developer/tester. C. Both of them. D. None of them. The correct answer is C. Both of them. Levels of software testing are A. Unit testing. B. Integration testing. C. System testing. D. User acceptance testing UAT. E. All of them. The correct answer is E. All of them. Unit testing is which kind of testing? A. Static testing. B. White box testing. C. Black box testing. D. Smoke testing. The correct answer is B. White box testing. Unit testing techniques are A. Basis path testing. B. Control structure testing. C. Mutation testing. D. All of them. The correct answer is D. All of them. Which testing is performed by end users at the developer site? A. Alpha testing. B. Beta testing. C. Smoke testing. D. Load testing. The correct answer is A. Alpha testing. Which testing is performed by real users in their own environment? A. Alpha testing. B. Beta testing. C. Smoke testing. D. Load testing. The correct answer is B. Beta testing. Which testing verifies that software can recover from failures? A. Recovery testing. B. Usability testing. C. Smoke testing. D. Alpha testing. The correct answer is A. Recovery testing. Which testing validates software installation and uninstallation processes? A. Installation testing. B. Load testing. C. Security testing. D. Unit testing. The correct answer is A. Installation testing. Integration testing is which kind of testing? A. Static testing. B. White box testing. C. Black box testing. D. Smoke testing. The correct answer is B. White box testing. Integration testing approaches are A. Top-down approach and bottom-up approach. B. Bottom-up approach and sandwich approach hybrid. C. Top-down approach, bottom-up approach and sandwich approach hybrid. D. None of them. The correct answer is C. Top-down approach, bottom-up approach and sandwich approach hybrid. System testing is which kind of testing? A. Static testing. B. White box testing. C. Black box testing. D. Smoke testing. The correct answer is C. Black box testing. System testing focuses on which below aspects? A. User interface testing GUI. B. Functional testing. C. Non-functional testing. D. Usability testing. E. All of them. The correct answer is E. All of them. Thanks for watching. If you like more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe.